So putting together the E² Hyperdrives and Superdrives, we start with the motor. We take the motor apart and we put it in its own custom heatsink here with a full air channel that allows us to push air through the motor and basically get the most power density out of this motor possible. So we start here, and then we have to mate it with our controller unit, which also has the board for the motor in it. So by making these wires as compact as possible, we get more efficiency as well. So those get mated into here, as you can see. And so now we've got the controller, throttle, motor unit complete. We put a bearing on here and seal that on to make sure that bearing is optimized. Then we've got this beautiful custom motor carrier that carries the belt drive, the motor, and the planetary reduction. And this is a beautiful piece of CNC billet that gets something like 87% of its aluminum CNC'd out of it. Pretty cool. Here we have a custom made pinion shaft for the belt drive with a 38 tooth belt, and once again we also put the bearing on here and seal that onto it for better performance. And we've got our gates belt, and then we got this beautiful custom fan as well. So this custom fan blows the air through the motor and gives us cooling. Custom make our 24 tooth other side of the pulley. So there's your pulley system right there. Then we've got our chain tensioners, which are also custom made with beautiful little spring in the back. The air channel. Who would have thought, but a very important part that allows us to channel the air through the motor. Then our face plates, and then we get into the planetary gears here. So these planetaries, we harden all the gears inside, take them apart, harden those, get them dialed, and then we actually have a special grease that we've got for them that we're pretty excited about. And that brings us to the finished product, which when it's all put together is right here. So we've got protecting the anodize on this one, but here's the motor, the holder, the planetary, the freewheel, controller up back, and yeah, then we can fire this up and check this out. So total control, boom, nice low RPMs, nice and quiet, and then we get serious, and then it's like a little Harrier jet. And that would be straight up cranked for you, straight up the mountain with that bad boy.